tell you something else. Yeah. To make everything come true, we got to be together. Yeah. Yeah. And through the spirit of the Most High, His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie, we're inviting to leading people of this land to be here to shake hands, show the people that you love them right, show the people that we're gonna unite, show the people that we're love them right, show the people that everything is alright. What you doing? Cause I wanna send the matches right out there. I mean, I'm not so good at talking, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Well, I'm trying to say, could we have up here on stage here the presence of Mr. Michael Manley and Mr. Edward Seaga. Oh! We just want to shake hands and show the people that we're gonna meet them right. We're gonna unite. We're gonna meet them right. We got to unite. Get.
Dream. It seems as if Marley's dreams are coming true. Bobby's feeling the love of Jah as he invite Prime Minister Michael Manley and the opposition leader Edward Seaga on stage. Tell you that was crucial.
I'm waiting. Hold on. Help us all by praying. Good God Almighty, you know you mean I'm good. Prosperity be with us.